Get ready with me to go to a cooking show. First, I wake up aesthetically from my aesthetic alarm clock. I obviously have to do my mindful jogging before I do anything. Oh no, my wig, I mean my hair fell off. Hee hee, it's totally normal. Finally got my hairline to look normal, but my wig still doesn't look realistic. It's fine. Anyways, I got to get out of these PJs. This is totally not makeup on my face right now. This is my natural face. Anyways, let me do my aesthetic skincare. I'm finished. Took long enough. Now it's time to change. This is my fit for the show. Time to do accessories because it makes me look aesthetic. Finally finished. I also fixed my outfit a little bit. Now let's do my shoes. I'm Donnie. How's my fit?